A rubber band turns into a star. Lucky Star is one of my favorite rubber band routines. From sleight of hand into real magic, and finally ends in spectator's hand. It shows different phases of magic. I came up with this idea 10 years ago. At that time, it's just a rubber band flourish, which can make you instantly create star-shaped rubber band. Until 2015, I turned this flourish into magic, and I released it in Taiwan. I believe the most important part of this trick is a normal rubber bands must match the star-shaped rubber bands. But now and then in the market meets my need. That's why I created this perfect rubber band for the routine. You can give this rubber band to spectators and wish them and good luck. I have kept this for many years, but now it can be yours. This is Lucky Star. Welcome.